Okay.
Hi, Simple Life. Welcome to our home. Come on in. Zidaan, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Why don't you come into the living room first? And that's our little Reyan there. He's 4 months old. I visited one of my friend's homes like around 2 years ago, and he lives in the Oldham property, Simple Life property, and I absolutely fell in love with the house. And we instantly, decided to get a Simple Life home for ourselves. So I am the decorator, but I am also a very proud thrifter. We have thrifted, we've gone to marketplace, we've even had curbside finds. Yeah, so this is one of the window display pieces from a showroom, and I actually found this lying on a footpath somewhere, and if you see, it just paired so well. This was a bar stool. These are also window display pieces, like half the price. We love entertaining, and when I was planning this living room out, I wanted more of individual seating rather than having big sofas.
So this was me when I was 3, that was me when I was 4, but it's like an evolution of me.
So I am actually a baker by profession. So that's my favorite recipe book. It's called The Magnolia Kitchen. This is an Australian, basically a Kiwi author. This keeps our living room tidy all the time.
We love the living room. Can we see the kitchen?
Of course you can. That's my favorite room. So this is definitely the nucleus of the house, if I may call it. This is where I cook, we entertain, we just open the doors every weekend. Friends keep coming in, they keep eating. We just have a lovely time outside. The skylights and having the kitchen connected to the garden was definitely the deal maker for me to get this house, to be honest. Yeah, they were such a lifesaver during the summer because they open up. So this is also Zidaan's wall of fame. If you see all of his certificates and So what do we have in the fridge, I'd say? We have cheese, berries. We love berries in this house. We have loads of pita bread. We have loads of vegetables and a lot of sauces. And this one flies in the house. It's a tamarind sauce. We have everything with it, to be honest. We love pizza. We can have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, sure you can. That's definitely our favorite part of the house. So if you see, we have loads of garden furniture for when we are entertaining. Zidaan's football, Zidaan's basketball. Woohoo! We did it! I'll just show you the powder room as well. It's also like one of the upsides of having a Simple Life home. They give you like a bathroom on the ground floor. I do love good bathroom art as well. So this is where all the rooms are.
So this is my bed. That's my desk where I usually do my homework and draw. Sometimes read those books. Like and subscribe.
So this is the master bedroom, and it also has my husband's office setup. And there he is, the big guy.
Hi guys.
That's Lafiz, my husband.
It's a good size. I like the practicality with it. So we've got the baby's cot here as well as my work.
And the massive window. I love it. So we barely need the lights like in the afternoon. It's always natural sunlight here. So I changed the traditional IKEA black knobs to the jute ones. I do have a thing for jute, I think. This is potentially 30 to 35 years old. Yeah, this used to be in my parents' house back in Pakistan. So this is the main bathroom here. It's also pretty big. And we have the bath here, our little baby's bath here. Guest room, I'd call it. So because there's a surprise there, it's an ensuite. Yeah, we got really lucky there with an ensuite. So whenever we have someone staying over, we give them this room so they have their own privacy and their own bathroom. I know, yeah, it has massive space. Nice sliding doors so it doesn't take away the space here. This is my end, that's Nafis's end. Now that winter is almost here, this is my favorite jumper to wear. Wow. I love the color, the coral in it, yeah.
This is the Simple Life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a very family-friendly neighborhood. And what I really love is it's very accessible. So we've never had an issue with his pram.
Close to train station.
Yeah, it's because he goes into work into Manchester city centre and he takes the train like thrice a week.
Yeah, that's
And
right.
it's like a
Very
5-minute
convenient, yeah.
walk here. School is close by. It's
good
like
schools,
really
good
good
location
schools.
as well.
I think all the schools here there are outstanding rated. Yeah, so it's really nice. Tesco is just around the corner. Our GP is like 5 minutes walk away. So we had like the Simple Life Christmas parade last December with the Santa and the elves, and sometimes we do have the pizza and ice cream trucks coming in from Simple Life for the neighborhood. So that's a really nice community touch to have. Yeah. We have a beautiful park, the Powerfold Park.
Like and subscribe to Simple Life. So these are the sunflowers, other flowers right there.
What are your favourite flowers?
The sunflowers and these ones.
So thank you for coming over, Simple Life. We hope you liked our home. Now it's gonna be bath time and tea time for the kids. So bye-bye.